how's it going? Welcome to Classy Tacos. Thanks for stopping by. Today, we're going to be getting rid of all this chrome. We're going to be putting some Depo black housing headlights. And this one's just for looks because I think they look so much better than with all this chrome. So stick around. Hope you enjoy. This is exactly how they show up in the box. It came in a bigger box. Got rid of that bigger box, and each one has its own individual setup. Let's see how they look inside. Setup, not bad. Got your plastic. If you look here, you can see all that black housing. It just looks so much better than either all the red and then no chrome down here. So we're getting rid of all that. Looks like your passenger. And your driver. Awesome. Should be pretty quick, easy install. It's like 2 bolts. We're going to run through it real quick, get them on, and we'll do some before and after shots at the end. Also put a link to these down below. Right there. Top bolt. Very bottom. Grab it and pull. Boom. Done. So your 3 connections, 1, 2, and 3. So just gonna pop the clip in. Oh, got the whole bulb out. This one's being a pain. So push that in and pop that out. All right. 2. The other side's being a little rougher on there. Let's see. Ooh, might be time to get some new bulbs. I'm looking into maybe some diode dynamics. We'll see. That install might be coming up soon. Ooh, this one's being rough. Alright, let's get this out of the way. Damn, that boy don't want to come out, so I'm pushing the button down. He don't want to come out, and I'm going to just try to wedge something in there to kind of just give me a little bit of leverage here. But, wow. That is in there good. See if I can do this. There we go. All right. And then, all right. So now we're here with the new one. We just go ahead and clip. Clip. And clip. So if you're new at this and you're a little nervous about it, each one of these is a different connector. So you can't screw up the connection on these. Top, bottom. Check this out. Nice. No more chrome. Yeah, you can see it in the light much better. So no more chrome. Awesome. All right, so now we're done. So thanks for watching. Hope it's nice and easy for you. Since these are aftermarket and these are factory, I'm just gonna wrap them up, put them back in the plastic, and keep them just in case, because you never know. All right, stay safe out there.